2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 57,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, HID headlights, rear air conditioning. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us